I, Marlene Patricia Malahoo Fort, being appointed minister.
2022 convened with a new minister and ministry to reform the island's legal framework. Things got in motion with concentrated efforts on legal and constitutional reform. Here's a review of how it all unfolded.
You have a major task in front of you to reform Jamaica's laws, start the process of reviewing our constitution.
With her new appointment as the Minister of Legal and Constitutional Affairs, Marlene Malahoo Fort was tasked with responsibility for the Office of the Chief Parliamentary Counsel, the Legal Reform Department, the Law Revision Secretariat, and the Office of the Public Defender. The ministry underwent organizational structural completion and secured approval for the process from the Minister of Finance and the Public Service.
This work, Madam Speaker, is also designed to help reset the stage, to move Jamaica from a state of unacceptable lawlessness to one of desired lawfulness.
A robust agenda unfolded to bring about landmark legal and constitutional reforms. The ministry led the way for the approval of a constitutional reform committee, which will play a key role in ensuring Jamaica's smooth transition to a republic. The ministry also completed the terms of reference, background document, and the compilation of supporting literature to guide the committee.
The commitment of the Prime Minister to transition Jamaica away from a constitutional monarchy is one that will be kept.
Among other critical legislative achievements was the drafting and the tabling of the bail bill. This will reform the bail structure in the island's criminal justice system. The new Ministry of Legal and Constitutional Affairs also made a revolutionary move to improve the efficiency, speed, and quality of legislation promulgated. Cabinet approved the establishment of legislative teams in all ministries. This is designed to strengthen inter-ministry collaboration and advance government's legislative agenda. Work was also done to restructure law reform, requiring all ministries, departments, and agencies to work within established timeframes.
I'm happy to report to this Honourable House and to the people of Jamaica that progress has been made in implementing the decisions approved by Cabinet.
With a new ministry and mandate, in 2022, the pace of constitutional and legal reform, legal education, and the protection of human rights were accelerated.
The law of great expectations is a powerful motivator. And when expectations rise, we are inclined to rise with them. May this be the tide on which we all rise.